at the plaza. I'm so disappointed. Like, I had this all planned out. I really should have went yesterday. But the time that I booked for was not available. It was available on the site. Called her to confirm the amount. I called her. She told me that, you know, that time would have to be pushed back. So I ended up, you know, booking for today. And no, it's basically cancelled because she apparently something with the store. I don't know what to do. You guys know that I don't be freaking looking out and taking taxi for fun. Like, I was running late, so I just called a taxi. It's like a waste of money, a waste of my time. But the show must go on. I would have booked somebody else to do my lashes now, but I don't know who is available. And then I know some have plans, so the whole day push back for me because I am leaving for a bit. I don't know what I do yet. As y'all could see, like, my vibes broke. Like, ugh. I do have a few stuff that I want to purchase at Earth Elements. I'm gonna check if the store is open. I think it's open at 10. So yeah, as I said, I'm just trying to, you know, head to Earth Elements. I look relatively cute today. I actually like the road on a Sunday.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head.
Hey y'all, so I went back. She called me to let me know that I can come back if I want to because it's now open, which I saw. I told her. So I'm actually just waiting on her. I went to Earth Elements. I got some stuff. I'll do a haul when I get home. But thankfully we can still do our lashes. So I'm just waiting on her.
They control me. Uno, those traits in a race. They can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be.
Okay guys, so it's a few days after, not a few days, but like one day after I got my lashes done since I last picked up the camera. I just wanted to show you guys some things that I got from Earth Elements and kind of share with you guys how the experience was, how I like my lashes. Actually guys, you'll be surprised to know that I don't really love them. It's okay, so I'm not gonna say I hate them, but I don't love them because I feel like, you know, it's a lot of space in between my lashes, like here, you know, and two is falling off, as in completely from the outer corner, which the outer corner is really important. I mean, you know, I feel like the retention isn't really there. I didn't wet my lashes or anything, so it's crazy to me that it's already falling off. I mean, even the whole experience was really bad, so I don't know, it's a no for me. But guys, as I said, I'm gonna show you guys some things I got from Earth Elements. It came in this beautiful shopping bag, period. And I got quite a few stuff, to be honest. Not a lot, but like, you know, quite a few because I was starting from scratch. The first thing that I picked up is a glowing face scrub. Absolutely couldn't wait to get it. I actually wanted the turmeric and lime scrub, but this is one they had. I also wanted a body scrub, but them never have none, so them some just picked this because this is really good for underarms and vagina and all of that. So let me say, all right, I'm gonna take it, but I feel like this is too small, so I think I'm gonna make my own body scrub and just keep this as a multi like face scrub, and if more I use it some other place, then fine. This vitamin C toner. I know that vitamin C is really good, you know, for the skin, as well as vitamin E and D, but you know, this is the one I picked up. Maybe another time I'll try. It has antioxidants, and what else does it have? It helps with like pigmentation and all that. So that I really need that, because you guys might not be able to tell, and right now it's even worse than how it looks on camera, because I have a lot of dark spots. So sometimes my skin will be happy, and then next time it's crazy. I got a body butter. The name is Escada. If you guys don't know, Escada would be a perfume, and they just kind of use body butter mixed with the perfume. So it's like, it smells like the perfume Escada, and it's long lasting, should be. So this is not my first time trying their body butters. Also got another one. This one is You're the One body butter. And I got two because one is for my mother. So then a moisturizing cream, which I'm so excited for, because my skin is super dry. I don't know if I ever told you before, like super dry, and it smells really good, which I don't like. I know that's weird, but I don't feel like my skincare product should be sweet. Like it just makes me feel like my skin is gonna have a major breakout. My skin is really sensitive, so if I smell something so sweet I put on my face, it feels wrong. I also bought two essential oils. This is jojoba oil, and this is pumpkin skin oil. Pumpkin seed oil, right? So these are supposed to be really good for helping your skin age nicely, plumping your skin, giving you that, yeah, oil, adding all of that, and it's all natural oil, so it should be really gentle and nice on the skin. I also got this cocoa butter soap bar. It's cocoa butter and vitamin E. This is how it looks. It smells amazing. I got this Dodo. Is it Dodo or son? Whatever. It's a black soap. I actually wanted the raw black soap that normally ship come in, and then you cut it up. Them didn't want that, but they never have none. It's a bestseller and it sell out. But anyway, I bought this to replace it. It was really expensive, but no, I wanted a black soap. And I think that's it for the haul. I have this in here, but this is not a part of it. This, I just threw this in the bag. But yeah, y'all, today I want to get my hair done. I permed my, well, not perm, because to be honest it don't look perm, but like me touch up the front of my hair and the back a little bit. And I washed and treated my hair last night. I didn't get to show you guys all of that, but I am going to get my hair done. The style I have in mind is really simple, really cute, and natural. So I'm getting that done either later today or probably tomorrow. I'm not sure, but I'll show you guys once I'm doing that. I wanted to also do body care in this video, but we're gonna save that for our next video. Also guys, the nails it might look good from here, so, but you see when you come in a person, it's a now. It's, you remember the last video I was telling you now do my nails again? Well, tell me why I'm gonna try again. This time I'm serious. I'm not doing this again. It's not for me, so I'll be waiting. I'll be getting my nails done. I'm not doing this again. But yeah, so that's about all the stuff that I got at Early Elements. I'll pick you guys up when I'm about to do my hair again. I have work today, so that's that. You know, busy girl. I wanted to have this video posted on Sunday, which Sunday would have gone since yesterday's, but I want to try to at least drop it for tomorrow. Anyways, guys, yeah.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Gotta roll over to you, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat.
Good morning, guys. So it's the next day, the next 2 days actually. My mom glued in some tracks for me, so this is the hair that we're working with. I do have to curl it now, just to give it that volume. I want to tell you guys that this was a complete failure. Look at my nails. I ate this off, bit this, Like it's a complete fail, like obviously. So now I'm just actually doing some hot tools so that I could press my hair or curl it. The plan is just to press out my hair. I know you're probably like, what? A hot comb on your hair? Yes. Yup. Yup. And trust me, I love how my hair came out. Cause it's just giving my hair, but not really.
Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it. Wet a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, you use a bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it for you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Keep your legs close, cause all I want, y'all gon' call the cops. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama's house and put some rounds in it.
All right, y'all. So this is the finished look. Actually, as you guys can probably see, I tear off the nails then because I didn't like it. Like this whole video was a fail. I didn't disclose to you guys how I really feel about these lashes. I hate it. Absolutely hate it. Absolute trash. Let me not say trash. I don't know me describe things that way sometimes, but it sheds way too much. Yes, I know the cycle of lashes. I'm not dumb, but the retention on these lashes aren't good at all. Why I know? Because like I'm for lashes, right? I am going to let me hint it to you guys. I'm working on something. I will be taking you guys through my journey. Since I mean, might as well tell you guys that I've been doing regular cluster lashes for a while now, and I decided that I've always been into lashes, so why not do lashes? So it's something that I'm actually working on, but I'll take you guys through that journey with me. I feel like it's gonna be fun just bringing you guys on that journey. Oh, I'm in a mother room. It's nice though, period. Anyways, yeah, but my lashes were it's not nice. You might think it looks full on camera, but really there's a lot of gaps. There's a lot of natural hair as well that could have been lashed, that were actually ready to be lashed, that wasn't lashed. And the shedding is a lot. I don't know what went wrong there, because I even stayed away from washing my face for a few, like 2 days, 1.5 days, before I actually wash my face or wet my lash. Actually follow aftercare instructions. You know, I know what to do. I wasn't told even to, you know, don't wash your face for this. I wasn't told any instruction, nothing like that. So I never really liked the whole experience, and I feel like the lashes could have been way better. But yeah, and the nails, it was a fail too. Like guys, I don't know, say I practice. I don't know why I take up myself and feel like some meat on nail tech, guys. I will be taking myself to the nail tech one day, and I will do an actual maintenance video with you guys. But yeah, sometimes things can fail. But yeah, this is my hair. My mom did it. I curled it afterwards, but I absolutely love it. It's just really natural. It's what I wanted, was something just natural, tracks that it would look like my hair, but you know, it's not my hair. So as you can see, the blend isn't bad between my hair and the actual false hair. Yeah, and I just put some curls in it. Like I just flipped it. This is just regular flip too. I didn't really do anything much at first. You guys saw me on camera curling it, flipping it over. No, that wasn't giving, so I just curl it underneath instead. And the same thing I did here, and then I just flip up the ends to kind of make it look like, you know, body. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Even though it wasn't, you know, as I expected, I'm still posting it. I wasn't gonna post it, but you know, me say what, this is why I always not post things or don't be consistent, because I want to be perfect, and I need to realize that perfect doesn't exist, right? So yeah, but love how the hair turned out. Lashes are okay, it's not giving though. Nails are nada. But thank you guys again so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like if you liked it, and you know, to see more videos, why not just subscribe? But bye.